So basically, what do you know about digital marketing as a student that applied for that course? Gwe ekya digital marketing nga gwe omuyizi eyasabye okoosi okimanyiiko okikinako
I think digital marketing kinako clue era mulimu market yawe tukitegeera okumarketinga kugamba ngenda kweyongera okubeera experienced ebintu mbikole mu corporate way si munaganaga.
Anti omuntu ayinza okugamba oyagala kusoma bino oddemu omulimu guli ogw'okwetunda nga weetundira
ni wantegekeddeyo bakasitoma lwaki olemera nnyo? No. Do you have boyina?
What have you been up to?
I've been up and down and I'm chasing goals for education, to meet to education, and I thank the Victoria University for the opportunity. It's a privilege. I'm not going to saga it. It's a privilege. And
what do you mean by saga it?
So it's a privilege of joining English and digital marketing. Yeah, so very soon.
But the world knows that you are a school dropout. How come that you have the qualifications that make you join such a university, more of an international university?
And to take a course, I don't need any qualification or certificate. It's like being an ambassador. I don't need a diploma. It's my following and influencing that gave me because I have the capability to promote and advertise all the companies. They are welcome to me anyway. So, setaga biwandika. I don't need biwandiko ku joining a course ka English and digital marketing because I'm going to get a certificate.
Okay.
Yeah.
There was a lot of mixed feelings as you were announced that you are the brand ambassador of Victoria University. What is your take upon this? Many people were dissing you, saying that you don't qualify to become one.
Yeah, that's what I've told you. I don't need to be qualified by them because I have a following. I'm a popular celebrity, celebrated, though you say that I'm not celebrated, I'm celebrated. So setaga kubeera nabiwandiko oba na kintu okubeera brand ambassador w'ekifo oba wa company, how you can market and influence. So nze nina following y'abantu egenda mu millions and millions. If Minister of Health used me, what about other companies? Minister yankozesa okutuusa messages. So I'm very important to this nation. Yes, so banji nyombu osobola okukozesa kubanga nina eddoboozi. It will not give you any benefit nga you're marketing with the 2 followers. The owner of companies, no one knows them. Bagaga tewali abamanyi. So if I get an endorsement and I have my following, that is the voice I reach.
You are known for being a proud prostitute.
No.
You denounced that.
No, I did that long time, case. I have taken, how old is Davina? I've taken 9 years when I left that issue. But I'm just showing a good picture to those girls on Twitter. You can change and their life chances are still there.
Yes. How much were you paid to be the brand ambassador? Because we know you for being a person that loves that deals with money.
Yeah, I deal with money. So as I told you, I have now a bursary. My children, they have granted a chance. So call it a blessing.
What is a blessing?
Oh, Mukisa, I'm blessed.
According to the choice of the course that you made, that is digital marketing and
English
and digital marketing.
Yes.
Why specifically that course?
Because my dreams is to reach. There are certain categories I want to reach. I want my voice reaching. So nino kumanya oluzungu about digital marketing because nina following nene njagala inspiration to become a motivational speaker. That's why I have to learn English, know marketing companies. That's what I want to do. That's why I'm taking that course. Now, above all, I want my English to change because I'm admiring the strong women in the world.
Which women inspire you?
Oprah Winfrey.
Really?
Yeah, she was she was harassed on early age.
She was?
Harassed. So my past is very tough. So when I have English, I'll go to BBS. I'll be the voice of the voiceless. That's what I want to be.
So basically, what do you know about digital marketing as a student that applied for that course?
sikitegedde case.
Gwe kya digital marketing nga gwe omuyizi eyasabye okoosi okimanyiiko okinako
I think digital marketing nkinako clue era mulimu marketing yawe tukitegeera okumarketinga kugamba ngenda kweyongera okubeera experienced ebintu mbikole mu corporate way si munaganaga.
Anti omuntu ayinza okugamba oyagala kusoma bino oddemu omulimu guli ogw'okwetunda nga weetundira ku
ni wantegekeddeyo bakasitoma lwaki olemera nnyo? No. Do you have boyina?
people that ask me.
No, they have no right to ask me. It's about my past, so stop dragging my past back. Chiringe chintu wonobera ne demon inge kuhatinga. Once you stay there now we know just kuhatinga. That was a demon. So don't, it's my past. It's behind me 9 years ago.
What comes to your mind if your baby, maybe your child, says that Shanita Namuyimba, she's the brand ambassador of the university that I go to, aka Bad Black?
I'm proud because first of all ngenda kubeera proud mother. Abaana bange bagenda kula balabe a changed person. Ne bali baba kuzenga basajja bakulu, they will not feel ashamed. But they'll be proud. They'll see my mother did this for me, and at the end of the day she was a winner, a conqueror. No, bino okusoma kw'abakulu swetaaga keera. I can choose a time, evening, online, kubanga wano balina online classes, balina regular container sijeeta case. I don't need a container, so nsobola okuchoosing evening. Evening because I'm a mother, nina okuleka nga ntegekedde abaana, so my classes will be in the evening, sometimes online, but I'm going to put all my effort.
Attention from the students, your classmates, because Bad Black oyingira mu kifo buli omu asasamala.
Yeah, university, they are grown-up people. This is an international university. So sisuubirayo wachanna mukaaga.
Lwakita omusuubira okina.
Kati jjajja wange sobola tula naye mu kiraasi. Case. Akuze emyaka 5 takyalaba nakulaba. So nsubira nti eno university abantu balongosemu where we get counseling. By the way mfunye counseling nene nnyo kuba top people. Case my life is changing for the better. Simba mfunye advice.
Lwaki obulamu bukunyize nnyo boyine somo.
No. Tebunyize, but my children are so smart and they are growing. Abana bange bakuze. N'omuto kati omuto agenda myaka 3. So it's time to change. Yeah.
So bwekola ku internet bobo nakoma kubanga abaana ogamba bakuze eno no kissing omwani.
Ate kissing egira wane education. Kissing is compulsory. If I have my man, ndinga muzungu. That is kissing. If you kiss, that is love, affection. As long as walola bikunudi yange in your life tojirabanga. Walola sex step yona tojirabanga. So ate jeziri, I don't do such stuff. Actually, on our university we get free data, we have Wi-Fi until we travel. So gongo.
So who's going to pay for you the scholastic materials?
Scholastic materials. This is a university. I don't need a uniform. I'll wear my legging and a crop top and a sneaker and I come. This is a university. Yes.